Intelligent governance in financial services. In the global financial system, trust is not an abstract idea. It is an operational requirement. Every institution, from community banks to multinational payment platforms, must prove that its systems are secure, reliable, and compliant. The Federal Financial Institutions Examination Council in the United States and the European Banking Authority across the European Union set the standards for safety, soundness, and technological integrity in modern finance. They define how organizations must manage cybersecurity, operational resilience, consumer protection, and governance of digital risk. At Fourth Industrial Systems, we bring those principles to life through policy as code and agentic artificial intelligence. We build financial ecosystems where compliance is continuous, transparency is measurable, and trust is programmable. Traditional compliance frameworks rely on manual reviews, spreadsheets, and static audits. But today, risk evolves in milliseconds. That is why we designed intelligent governance, systems that understand, act, and verify in real time. Our governance agents monitor every rule from the Federal Financial Institutions Examination Council and the European Banking Authority guidelines, translating them into live, executable controls. When a policy changes, for example, a new capital resilience directive or a data protection rule, the code updates automatically, and the agents enforce it immediately. No lag, no guesswork, no missed obligations. In our platform, assurance agents validate that financial transactions are authorized and that systems meet their security and resilience benchmarks. Integrity agents confirm the accuracy and completeness of risk reports. Monitoring agents detect operational anomalies before they escalate into incidents. And ethics agents align decision-making with fair lending, anti-fraud, and consumer protection standards. Each action creates verifiable evidence, digitally signed, time-stamped, and stored in an immutable ledger. Compliance ceases to be a burden. It becomes a transparent state of readiness. Policy as code means the rules of financial governance are expressed in machine-readable form. Instead of waiting for quarterly reviews, every control executes itself. Every deviation triggers an alert. Every remediation is documented automatically. When examiners arrive, the organization is not searching for proof. The proof already exists. Every control is active, every exception recorded, and every report accessible in real time. Our agentic artificial intelligence does not replace compliance professionals. It empowers them. Humans define the principles, and the system enforces them faithfully. If a rule requires interpretation, for example, balancing privacy against fraud detection, the agent escalates the issue for human review, ensuring that empathy and ethics remain at the center of automation. This collaboration between human oversight and autonomous governance creates an environment where risk management becomes proactive, not reactive. Financial resilience is no longer achieved through paperwork. It is engineered into systems that can adapt, explain, and prove compliance under pressure. By uniting the global expectations of the Federal Financial Institutions Examination Council and the European Banking Authority with policy as code and agentic artificial intelligence, Fourth Industrial Systems transforms compliance into a continuous assurance model, one that operates as fast as financial markets themselves. In this world, governance becomes intelligent, compliance becomes composable, and trust becomes the foundation of every transaction. That is our mission at Fourth Industrial Systems, to build a financial ecosystem where autonomy meets accountability and trust is engineered every single day.